Most people get this wrong when comparing delivery apps. They assume one platform always pays more than the other. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Earnings depend more on strategy than the app itself, whether you are using Instacart or DoorDash in 2026. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is choosing a platform based on hype instead of how you actually like to work. In this video, we will break down Instacart versus DoorDash in 2026, compare real earning potential, and help you decide which one fits your driving style. Let's start with how each one works. DoorDash focuses on restaurant delivery. You pick up food and drop it off quickly. A driver like Alex in a busy city can complete many short trips in an hour during peak lunch or dinner rush. Instacart works differently. You shop for groceries and deliver them. A shopper like Jake may complete fewer orders per hour, but each order can sometimes pay more depending on batch size and tips. Now here's where it gets interesting. Speed versus effort is the real difference. DoorDash is faster paced with more trips. Instacart is slower but can offer higher single order payouts. But here's the problem most beginners miss. They compare total earnings without considering time per order. A high Instacart payout might take 45 minutes, while 3 DoorDash deliveries might take the same time with different results. Let's talk real-world earnings behavior in 2026. DoorDash tends to perform better during peak meal times like lunch, dinner, and late-night rush. Instacart performs better during weekends, evenings, and grocery restock periods. Now here's a key insight. DoorDash gives you more flexibility in switching locations quickly. Instacart requires staying longer in stores and dealing with shopping delays, replacements, and checkout lines. In a minute, here's what top earners actually do. They don't pick one app. They multi-app strategically. They switch between DoorDash and Instacart based on time of day and demand spikes. For example, a driver might use DoorDash during lunch rush, then switch to Instacart for evening grocery demand when batches increase. Another major difference is consistency. DoorDash usually provides more frequent orders, while Instacart can feel more variable depending on store traffic and batch availability. So which pays more in 2026? The honest answer is that DoorDash often wins on consistency and speed, while Instacart can win on occasional high-value batches. The real winner depends on how you work. If you prefer fast-paced driving with constant movement, DoorDash may feel better. If you prefer fewer but potentially higher-paying tasks, Instacart may suit you more. To wrap it up, there is no single winner. The best earners use timing, location, and sometimes both apps together to maximize income instead of relying on just one. If this helped you understand Instacart versus DoorDash better, like the video, comment which app you use, and subscribe for more real gig economy breakdowns that help you earn smarter in 2026.